Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be another installment in my eBay Yay or Nay series. I like the idea of going through eBay and finding amazing products for super cheap and saving some cash. I'm all about the savings. If you ask my husband, he'll always say that I'm frugal. I like to save, so this is a really amazing thing. Plus, I'm a mum of two, so I like to save some cash where I can. I've done 3 other videos, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll leave that playlist down below and you guys can go watch them, but they're pretty cool. And I try to give a review. I'm nowhere near a makeup artist, but I do have a passion for makeup, and my mum was an Avon representative, so I do love makeup. I've been around makeup for a long time. So today's product, as eBay likes to call it, is a silicone makeup brush cleaner, pad, washing scrubber, board, cleaning mat, hand tool. eBay has always got like huge names. I think that's so they can get into the top of the search, but yeah, I always find that really funny. And anyway, it was super cheap. I think it's the same concept as the Sigma matte, but it was way cheaper. It was $2.30 New Zealand. That was including shipping. You can get it in multiple colors, and I chose pink because I love pink and I just thought they would be cute. So it's got lots of textures, including dots and hearts and swirls, and then it has the suction on the back, so you can get a grip onto your sink or wherever you're cleaning your makeup products. I don't have a lot of brushes, but I do have different types of brushes, so we'll be able to see the different types, and I've tried to make them as dirty as possible. So we've got like Sigma, we've got Real Techniques, we've got eBay brushes, we've got $2 shop brushes, we've got dress up brushes, which are eBay brushes, but like we've got a lot of different kinds of brushes, so we can try and get a good feel of it. We're going to go into the video of me trying to clean the brushes with this beautiful thing, and we will come back afterwards and tell you my thoughts. Okay, so yeah, definitely silicone. This feels legit. Such an ugly angle. That's pretty cute. Okay, so I'm gonna run the water. Oh yeah, puts it all right on there. Okay, we're gonna see if this makes like a difference. Okay, we're gonna try this brush here, which is a Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm going to run the water. Sorry if it's loud. I'm gonna try to put, what do I do? Do I put it, you can see swatches, so I've been swatching makeup. Do I put it there? I guess I'm gonna try the swirl. Feels very like it's pulling. Did it do quite a good job? Okay, I might just try again. I think that did a pretty good job, guys. Okay, I'm gonna turn the water off so I don't waste water. We're gonna try another foundation brush. I don't know how to hold my hand. It's such a weird angle. I think it works better once it's kind of wet, and then you just put your shampoo or brush cleaner. Me being a frugal person, I like to use shampoo. This one is not working very well. It's very thick. I'm loving them for little brushes at the moment. The big brushes, they have far too much fibers to get really deep in there, whereas the little ones kind of, you can press them against the textures and they work really well. We're going to try another little brush, and we're going to use no water this time, and then water at the rinse. So just, yes, I like it that way. See, I don't really see the point in these ones. Maybe that's for the deeper part. I can see the idea, but these parts are just amazing. As you can see, the little brushes just brush as though they are brand new. So that's amazing. I love the middle parts so far, but the side parts just feel a bit like irrelevant. So I wanted to talk about my thoughts and feelings about this product. I'm only halfway through my brushes, but I want to do this before my kids wake up. I did a mixture of big brushes and little brushes, and I have a few pros and cons. The pros are little brushes work really well on this, especially the middle part. Like if it was just that, it would be amazing, because the swirly parts and the lines and the little dots are amazing for getting off hard product that's on your brushes. Little brushes work like a gem. They come off amazingly, but big brushes didn't work very well. They just felt like they pulled on this side. I feel like these were supposed to be for the big brushes, but it just kind of pulled on them and they didn't get all the product off. There was excess product still left on the brushes. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the suction cups on the bottom. They worked really well to begin with. They stuck to the sink, but once you're putting in water into the sink and then you're having to rinse off the product that's dirty on top of the mat, the water starts getting underneath and it starts slipping around and you're having to hold the mat. So yeah, I love the middle part. These side parts feel a bit useless. I feel like they were supposed to be for the big brushes, but they just failed in my opinion. I'm definitely going to keep this for my little brushes, but I am going to have to find another alternative for my bigger face brushes because it just didn't really work. So if you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to hit the like button because it lets me know that you guys like them and you want to see more. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button if you want to see more videos from me. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!